Yo, chat, can you guys hear me? Are we live? Can you hear me, chat? All right. So we have a news for GBP at 7:15, 9:15 a.m. Right. And it's the 10 a.m. How you guys doing, chat? We're at 7 standard deviation right there. Chat, are you looking for buys or sells? What are you looking at on Euro and GBP? As I've said yesterday, I'll be looking for longs. I'm bullish on Euro and GBP. Euro waiting for total sub short. Could be, bro. It could. It could fall more, but yeah, we'll just see. But I'm very bullish on both of them. If I don't see a bullish setup, then I'll probably not gonna take any trade. But I'll stick to my analysis. That's what I can say at least. But yesterday we talked about how price would show some reaction from there, and it did show some reaction of that. Also, euro. Let me just show you one thing. I talked about how euro is not gonna take out this low, and we're gonna see when the news hits. If I'm right, then we're not gonna see this low taken, and we're gonna move higher from this level right there. Let me just mark this up right there. This low should not be taken. If it's get taken, then I'll probably switch my bias. Okay, let's just go to a lower time frame and see. Let's see if we can get into a trade today. Okay, this high right there, another one right there. Have you guys taken any trade during the London session, chat? Chat, have you guys taken any trade? I took a loss. What pair did you trade at, bro? Which one did you trade? All right. I should take a long position on Nasdaq early. Euro. Okay. Did you went for short or went for long on Euro? Short. Yeah, that's why. Took a trade when Euro took previous liquidity, but now it's rejecting so early. Exit. Euro took this low. Euro took previously slow. Okay, okay, this one right there. All right. Chad, you could have taken a short long position on Euro today. Let me just show you that. Targeting that Asian sessions high and yeah, targeting that Asian sessions high. Okay, we had an SMT right here with cable on Euro during the London sessions opening, and I saw that I didn't took any trade, but yeah, you could have taken this move there, targeting that Asian session high. So that would be like how much point that would be? Okay, that was like a 1.5 hour trade, and 10 pips right there within that uh, price leg. Better to wait a expansion move. Better go. All right, chat. Let's see what I've said yesterday. Like we're gonna move higher. If I'm right, we're gonna see that today. And if I'm wrong, I'm not gonna trade this fully. That's for sure. Okay, we have this dealing range on Euro, and there is a fair value gap in the discount zone right there. Let's look at pound, bro. Pound's not gonna take that low, I guess. That I kind of think like pound is not gonna take that low right there. And we also have a news on pound. So you could see some upside movement right from there. I'm expecting a huge upside move from there. Yeah, bro, I don't think it's gonna take out that low, but let's see. 9:15 a.m. we're gonna see that news. Let's just wait and observe price chat. What do we have on USD cat? Okay, USD chat UI. Bro, what the fuck? Mm, 1 hour. Okay, we also have that on 1 hour. Chat, we might see this high gets taken right there on USD JPY. But if it fails to take that high out while DXY take out that high, I think we're gonna be very bearish that time. But if it's gonna take out that high, I wanna see DXY fail to take that high out. And USD CAD, bro, this is just pure consolidation. I don't want to get into this on USD CAD. I'll wait for USD CAD to break this low. I'm not gonna touch USD CAD today. After news in USD. Bro, we have news at news for pound, bro, not for euro. Currently, are you trading in a funded account? Yes, bro, I'm trading a funded account. Are we at OT level? Right. Okay, we could see uh, pound take out this high one more time and tap into the OTE level within this dealing range, then move higher, I guess. Let me just mark that fair value gap right there. But this was the low we talked about yesterday. Bro, whenever I trade 1 minute time frame, I get cooked, bro. What about Euro USD? I kind of think Euro gonna manipulate a little bit more than GU, bro. I think it's gonna go a bit lower than GU, but we can wait and see. That's what we can do. Okay, you have changed this low. Just measure this dealing range and wait for price to tap in within here, below 50% or within the OTA level, and wait to see some reaction, then go long. If you are bullish, I'm bullish. I don't know about your analysis, but I'm bullish on euro and pound. So yeah, I'll probably wait and see how price reacts off of those levels. Yeah, I think GU gonna take out this low one more time. Yep. Bro, we had like, what the fuck, bro? 82 pips move during the London session. Damn, market's going crazy on Forex right now. Okay, chat, let's just leave it right here and see how price reacts. Just mark this out for you. I'm gonna watch this fair value gap and this right here. Monetary policy rate. Good morning again. What's good? I'm doing great, Bernie. What about you? We have big red folder news this morning for GU. Yes, bro, we do have a news for GU today. Yeah, monetary policy report hearings. What the fuck? There's no previous outlines for that news. But we also have a news for DXY, and I think it's gonna be negative this time. Let's see if I can be wrong. Just check on it. 551, 511, 549, 549, 538. Okay. Bro, I'm sweating like crazy, bro. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and yeah, if you're new here, then subscribe, bro. By the way, chat, join the Discord community. There is a link in the description. My camera is getting harder, bro. Okay. It does look very much bullish to you and you. Bro, in my mind, I think this is gonna be the uh, low of the week. Yeah, this one is gonna be the low of the week. That's what I'm thinking. Yep. You could see every time price moved higher, those price legs were clean as fuck, bro. From here, so clean, bullish price leg. Also, we see the same thing here, so clean. Bro, USD CAD is so choppy right now. Do not even uh, touch it, bro. Unless you are a swing trader. Okay, do we have anything? Highlight your high time frame levels, my friend. Everything is highlighted, bro. I uh, did my analysis on the stream yesterday. You can see that on the previous stream. Go and watch that if you want to see my analysis. But I told you guys I was bullish for GU and Euro. If it doesn't go as I planned, then I'll not trade this week. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade this week. I'm gonna keep my word. All right. But USD JPY is looking cleaner than USD CAD today. This right here could be the change in the state of delivery, bro. This could be the market structure shift right there. Oh, we're gonna know that when the news hit. Bro, gold, yeah, again shook up that high there. And when it was here, we talked about how it's gonna gravitate towards that high. Yeah, bro, it just kept going higher and higher. What's use 30 doing right now? What the fuck? Chat, say something. I told you yesterday we're gonna take out this low right there. Maybe uh, on the stream before yesterday, I guess we're gonna take out this low on Nest, and we're probably gonna fail to take out that low on US 30. Yep. And I was also trying to see if uh, S&P gonna take out this low. Yeah, I think we're gonna move higher for indices. That's it. I'm not gonna go into lower time frame for those pairs. Okay, there's nothing in there. What's your perspective on euro and USD, bro? I think euro gonna move higher. That's what I'm expecting right now. But I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, then I'll probably figure it out. But as for with my analysis, I think they both gonna go higher. Okay. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and yeah, if you're new here, just subscribe, bro. Okay, we have like how much time left for the news? 20, 35 hour and 35 minutes left for the news chat. New York is still consolidating right now. Okay, I think we're gonna take out the low right now. Yeah, I think we're gonna move lower right from there and gonna take out this low. Which broker do you use to trade or any proper? Bro, I'm with Markets for You right now. I'm trading with them, my broker. You can check them out. They're in the industry almost now 18 years. Yep. We can trade Forex, indices, metals, anything there. Yeah. So, and also if you're gonna get a 50% deposit bonus if you register through my link. So yeah, if you wanna check them out, you can go and check them out, bro. And I'm trading with Atlas right now. This is the part, bro. Just sitting still, not doing anything in front of the charts is the most difficult thing to do as a trader. Bro, gold view. Bro, I just talked about gold, bro. What the? Do we have any higher objectives to go, bro? We don't have any higher objectives to go, bro. Bro, listen. The best time to trade gold is the Asian session and the London session. Why do I say that? Let me just show you something. Yep. Every time gold take out a 15-minute or hour or 30-minute low, it goes higher. Just inverse that for bearish bias. Let me just show you. See, we took out low right there during the London session, went higher. Same here also, we have taken out the low during the New York session. We went higher during the Asian session. Right here also, we have taken out the low during the Asian session open and moved higher. Yeah, that's all it, bro. It's just moving higher and higher, but I don't see any higher objective right now on gold. Yeah, bro, we broke the all-time high right there. So just wait, and if you wanna go long, you can, bro. But I'm not into gold right now. Easiest way, I just told you the easiest way to trade gold. Wait for some swing lows to be taken or swing highs to be taken, and then go long or short, uh, depending on the bias. That's it. We haven't taken out anything yet. Good another guy was thinking of that higher temperature but had not done it. Focus is on GBP. Yeah, bro. Do you trade London session? Yeah, bro. I trade London session, and I when I trade uh, higher time frame, I try to pick the high or the bottom. That's why what I try to do. Or maybe I'll just sync with the bias. By the way, chat, if you're new here, then sub up, bro. What are you doing? Sub up and yeah, give a thumbs up to the stream. Fuck this network. Bro, Forex is the best during London session, then New York session is good for NQ, and yes, that's how I see it. It is, bro, but for Forex, the New York session begins with 7 a.m. to 10 a.m., right? But for futures, I guess it's 9:30, 9 to what, uh, 11 or yeah, probably 11. I don't trade futures that often. GU and EU going for previous day highs. It could, bro, and we might not see a huge move today, but yeah, this week if we move higher from here, then these are the objectives for me. These highs, then these highs, and we also have these highs, and also have some highs in the higher time frame. Right, this one. This is the final target for me on GBP. So yeah, we'll just see what the fuck I'm. Bro, USD JPY looks good to me. Sell on long term. What's your view? USD JPY. I'm also looking for sells on USD JPY. To be honest, that's what I'm also looking at. My targets are right down here. You see this? Right around here. These are my two higher time frame objectives. And if you want to take a swing trade, you can, bro. Yeah, if you want to swing trade, then you put your stop loss like it will be a big stop loss, bro. But I think it's gonna worth it. Yeah, probably right around here. Maybe you should wait for the news on DXY. After that, you'll probably uh, gonna be able to put a smaller stop loss. Just don't put your hand on USD CAT. That is just moving like shit right now. I'm new here. Do you scalp or day trade? It depends, bro. But mostly I would say I'm a day trader. I trade like hourly time frame most of the time and use 5 or 15-minute time frames for the entry. My stop losses are huge, bro. Like 20, 30 pips, sometimes even 60 or 80 pips stop loss. Bro, Geo is not even trying to go down right now. I think when the news hits, it's gonna take a dip right here and then move higher like crazy. If not, then we're super bullish on GU today. What do you use for entry? What do I use for entry? Uh, I can't exactly tell you that, but yeah, first thing I do, I wanna figure out the trend. Where is market heading to? And then I'll use one PDRS to get into the trade. Yeah, that's it. I just use like how many things? One, two, three. I have like two or three things when I'm entering a trade, and the main thing is I try to figure out the bias. Once I'm sure about the bias, I can enter anywhere, bro. Like if you know that price gonna take out this low, if you went short right here, right, but with a bigger stop loss, see, you can hit that trade. So that's my view on day trading. Like I'm okay with a bigger stop loss. It gives me more space to analyze my trade uh, when I'm in drawdown or something like that. I'll probably figure out if I'm wrong in terms of trade setup. Okay, there's 1 hour and how much time left? 8 minutes, 23 minutes. 1 hour and 23 minutes left for the news chat. It's now 7:20, 7:52 a.m. What the fuck? What the fuck? We tapped into that. No, we didn't. Whatever. Breakers, order block, or fair value gap for entries. Bro, I use only fair value gaps for entries. Let me just say that loud. I only use fair value gap. I used to use breaker blocks, order blocks, then what else? OT, then yeah, so many things, bro. I used to put all the PDRs in the chart, and I used to get uh, cooked, bro, in every trade. But now I just try to keep it too clean, and yeah, the more simpler your trade setup is, the higher chance you will be profitable. If you have too many things on your chart, you're not gonna be a good trader. But you need to know which is the right one to use. That's the main thing. If you know, just what they say, just take one PDA and be master it, bro. Like if you want to use fair value gaps, take it and look for fair value gaps, find the form, everything about fair value gaps and master it. And also it goes same for the other PDRs like order blocks. What do we have? Inversion fair value gaps, breaker blocks, everything else. Just take one thing and master it. In terms of PDRs, I only use fair value gaps. That's it. But when I'm entering a trade, I use two things to confirm the bias. That's it. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, but yeah, I use three to four things when entering a trade. If you wanna know, you can. What the fuck, bro? And if we inverse that 15-minute fair value gap on EU, then the next drawn liquidity will be 1.6824. Can you enter in London kill zone? Yeah, bro, I can. And most of my trade are during the London kill zone because I always try to uh, pick the high or the low of the day. I'll probably miss it to like 5 to 10 handles, or suppose I entered here, right, but my stop loss would be bigger if I'm right about the bias. Okay, someone just said about if we inverse that 15-minute fair value gap on EU. Which one are you talking about? This one? This right here? Okay. Today I get cheap in London kill zone 1:2 short. Great, brother. You have, if you have made money today, then great job, bro. By the way, Chad, let me just uh, give you a secret. If you just listen carefully. When you are in a trade, right? Use your PDRS just to confirm the price would move to your directions. Do not use every PDRS. Just you suppose we are bullish for this from here, right? So what do you want to see then? You want to see every bullish PDRS being respected. If you are a like fair value gap traders, you want to see those fair value gaps keep price above them, right? Like this. So yeah, use them to confirm your trade. I'm waiting for Nasdaq. What the fuck? Bro, Nas is gonna go higher today, I guess. I'm not sure, but yeah. Or it could do one thing also. We probably gonna close within this range, or maybe taps a fair value gap there and move more higher and take out this highs, because we have taken a major liquidity, major sell side liquidity right here, right, this one. We could see a bullish move from here, but I think, let me just check on the other one. Yeah, we have taken that. I kind of think like it's gonna take out this London session low. Where it is? Nice. Where are you? Yeah, maybe. Yeah, but so do your analysis, bro. Today is retracement day. Nice is my favorite pair. Tech weapon. Hi, bro. How you doing, bro? All right. try to see some reaction right there. Bro, if we wanna go short on USD JPY, you just wait for another price like right around right like this. Just wait for a clean price like then look for your PDRA and go short if you are bearish just like me. Damn bro. What the fuck? I will probably see when the news hits we're gonna take out this lows for GU. Yep. But we need to see these lows stay intact. No 100% buy side in Nasdaq. It could bro. I'm not trading NAS or S&P right now. My focus is on Euro and GU. So yeah, if you're if you have done your analysis then okay bro. The point is to make money bro. Just make some money. Right. Right there. Trade only Forex. What are you talking about? My voice is solo. Hello. You take trade only Forex. Bro, when I have a higher objectives on like if I have a higher objectives on Forex market, then I'll go with Forex. I already told you I'm a swing trader more like a. And if I see something on indices, then I'll probably trade indices. But I haven't traded indices since the last month, I guess. Yeah, I'm a scalper, bro. If you make money with scalping, bro, then great, bro. We're here to make money. Buy side liquidities right there, right there, and right there. Chad, do you trade on smartphones or on your desktop? What do you use to trade, bro? On those EU longs. Are you sure, bro? If you have done your analysis for euro, then good, bro. Take it, uh, take the trade just, but don't blame me if you go. It goes against you. I am trading GBP, US 100 gold. You trade gold, bro. Damn. But you can take a quick trade right here, targeting that high right there on euro. But I would suggest you to put a bigger stop loss. I think you guys have taken like this one, right? No, it's not gonna go lower than this, I think. If I'm right, we're not gonna see this low gets taken. What the fuck? You don't go against me, bro. Don't worry. Yeah, bro. I think Euro's not gonna take this low because we have taken out this low right here while DXY failed to take that high. You see this one right there. We have taken out the sell stop right there. So we are not gonna take out this loss because there's no sell stop right there. But on GU we might see this low taken. Again, I'm not 100% sure, but it might it might take out this low. How much point is this? Okay, 31 handles right there, and the stop loss is like almost 12 pips. All right, it's up to you. Just manage your trade wisely, bro. Manage the trade wisely. I'm gonna look at GU. How much time left? Okay, we have like an hour and 9 minutes for the news. I'm gonna get some breakfast, be back in. No, you can't wait for market open 9:30. I trade on Dexter mostly once I know what my bias is, then I go out and monitor and tablet or phone, then let's just follows me. Wait for market to open. Chat, hang on a minute. Let me just make some coffee for me. I'll be back. Yo, chat. I'm back, by the way. What do we see? Chat, do you like sugar on your coffee? I mean, in your coffee, or you drink without sugar? Chat, if I'm right today, then you're gonna see something today that's gonna surprise you. He's making some tea. Bro, I'm drinking coffee, bro. It's already done, bro. And it tastes like shit, bro. And I drink tea when I'm outside. When I'm at home, I only prefer coffee, bro. 2 tablespoons of sugar for me. What the fuck? You're a sugary guy, bro. What's Euro doing right now? Let's check on him. We're still stuck on that position right now. Yep, I think we kinda Chad, if we don't take out this high, well, DXY take out that low right there, we're probably gonna see a pullback. But I'm expecting right here, like this almost. But the swing low should not go below this. If it does, then these are the levels where I wanna see some reactions. Chat. Okay. The mic was off this whole time. What the fuck? Is my camera working? Okay, it's working. Chat. If I do my stream at 720p, is it okay for you guys? Because it's hitting like crazy. I'm afraid it's gonna blow up, bro. If I do the stream at 720p, I think it's gonna hit lesser than this. It's heating up like crazy. It's working, but the screen is went off. These are the two scenario I'm looking for euro right now. And yeah, let's see if I'm right or wrong. Who the fuck is banging on the upper floor, bro? Someone's banging on the upper floor. How long have you been trading for? Bro, almost 4 years now. Chat, by the way, give a thumbs up to the stream. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And yeah, if you wanna talk to me, then go follow me on X and join the Discord community. I'll soon start doing live uh, kind of weekly market review on the Discord server. Bro, if anyone is long on this inversion fair value gap on the 15-minute chart, try to manage your trade right now. Like manage the risk. I talked about this right here. So if you see price holding right around this level, right here, here is a small fair value gap you can see on the 5-minute chart. If this hold price up, then you're good. But if we close below that, then we'll probably sweep this low. But I don't want to say that low taken out. Not gonna lie, I think you're gonna uh, move from the OT level on this price lake right there, while we're gonna form a SMT on GU. Yeah, that's what my perspective right now. You're profitable though. What do you think, bro? You will see everything on this channel. When the time comes, then I'll put all my stats on the channel, bro. Until then, just wait. I am, bro. I make enough to live. That's what I can say at least. I'm doing great. I live alone. Then I have my parents. Uh, every month I send money to my parents for them. Then I have to manage all the expenses for me. Then rent. I have rent, like food, everything. I manage by myself. So yeah, I'm doing well. Okay, there's 30, 40, 45, almost 50 minutes left for the news on GU. You do not need so much money to live well, bro. Dang. Let's see. Okay, there's almost 50 minutes left for the news chat. What do you think, chat? Are we gonna move higher or lower? So you formed the SMT on euro right there. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and if you're new here, then sub up, bro. Help me reach 20K before the this year ends. And by the way, I'm working on my accent, bro. The doji candle on GBP. What what doji candle, bro? Are you thinking like retail traders? That's a hammer, bullish hammer candle. I used to uh, learn those things when I first started trading. Okay, GU just tapped into that 15-minute fair value gap right there. I want to see how it uh, holds price. But today, if you want to go long, GU is the better option than Euro. It's gonna move more quicker than Euro today. I'm not gonna tell you what's the bias. It could be my analysis could be different from yours, but I'm very bullish on GU and Euro. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream. If you find this stream useful, then yeah, give a thumbs up and sub up. Chat, put your country flag in the chat right now. Let's see how many people are watching from different countries. If you're watching the stream, just put the country flag in the chat. That I'm just gonna wait for price right now before the news. I'll just wait. Chat, put your country flag in the chat box right now. Let's see where are you watching the stream. Sorry that I broke your heart. Every higher time frame period indicates higher prices. Every higher time frame period indicates higher prices. What time frame this? Oh, this is the 5 minute time frame, bro. Botswana. Okay, we're on Euro GU right now. That's the 15 minute BC right there. This one is the 15 minute BC. Chat, put your country flag in the chat box right now. Let's see where are you watching this stream from. We have taken that high, that London close high on GU, and there's another one right there, and we have our Asian session high. Yep. What's Euro doing, bro? Euro is still that stuck on that position still, bro. I told you, bro. GU is gonna move quicker than Euro today. Told you guys. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and if you are new here, then sub up, bro. Bro, ICT is gonna start live again, I think. Chad, should I change my content a little bit? Like I upload motivational contents on my channel, right? So I was thinking like, what if I cut the uh, uh, specific parts from ICT's video where he mentioned something um, on those live streams, and yeah, put them all together and upload on my channel. What do you think, Chad? And maybe I'll do a commentary on them. What do you think about that, Chad? Is it a good idea, or should I just keep uploading motivational stuff? We have taken out that low there. I think we're gonna at least come right down here, or maybe gonna tap into this, taking this low out. I don't want to see that low taken. Bro, USD JPY is just range bounding right now. Range bouncing. This whole range up and down, up and down. What the fuck? Do we have anything there? Chat, do you see anything? I see something on USD JPY. Look at yourself on USD JPY if you wanna go short. Could we tap into another fair value gap on GU right now? Right there. South Africa. Okay, when are you going to enter, bro? You will see, bro. Who knows? I'm already long. I could be long already. Maybe I went long during the London session. Maybe not. Just wait for the news, and yeah, you will see whether I have taken any trade or not. Hi, I'm new here. Welcome, bro. Welcome. Welcome to the stream. Okay, I think we're gonna go down below this one more time. Let me just mark that right there. Bro, I told you, bro, GU is gonna move quicker than Euro today. That impulse price like there during the London session, I wanna see price take a retracement into the below the 50% for Euro. But there is a high probability Euro can move higher, like that OTE level. If we see a SMT right around here, we're good, right? And if you are still wanna go long, just put a bigger stop loss, bro. Put your stop loss like right around here, right this low. If you are okay with that, it's up to you. So we have taken out that low right there on Euro. What Geo is doing? Okay, Geo is moving higher still. I kind of think this flow is gonna be taken out. Let's just wait and see. Euro is delivering from that one inversion favor. Like a bro, keep that in mind. Yes, bro, but there are specific lows and highs where market needs to go before it moves to your directions. If we are long or we are bullish, there are some specific lows market is gonna take out. Not everyone knows that, but yeah, that's the fact, bro. And sometimes when we are bullish, we wanna see some specific sorry, I mean when we are bearish, we wanna see some specific highs taken out before it moves lower. Keep that in mind. Market's not gonna move in one direction entirely without taking any stops, right? There are some specific levels where market needs to go before it even moves. What's your bias, bro? I'm bullish on Euro and GU. Okay, we tapped into the 5-minute fair value gap on Euro right there. Tapped into that right there. If you're long already on Euro, I can just assure you that if we do not see a close below that, we are good. You're good on this trade. We want to see some reaction below the 50% from that impulse leg. But I kind of think maybe that's like the 60% chance we can see a swing low form here and move upside, and 40% chance we may be gonna take out that low. All right, we're taking the low out, bro. Damn, bro. Hold on to the trade, bro. Just watch how this candle close. If you don't see a swing high form, swing low form around this box, just cut the trade. It's gonna take out the those low. Let's see what Geo's doing. Okay, Geo taking out that low. I told you it's gonna take out that low one more time, and it did took out that low. Yeah, now to see where it goes. It took out that low and went one more time into that 15-minute fair value gap right there, right there. Now I wanna see two things. Maybe we wanna move from here. Well, let me just show you that. Well, you're gonna take that low out and tap into that fair value gap there, and it moves higher from there. And I want to see Geo not take that low out, maybe move higher from here, or it could just tap into that fair value gap and go higher. Now, why I say that? Because we haven't taken out this low, right? While Euro has taken out that low with this move, and here are the um, most of the stop right now resting right here. So that's the best scenario if we see a pullback right into that fair value gap. Let's just wait and see how it reacts. I think I think Euro's gonna take out the flows. Careful, bro, if you're in this trade. Is it true? Is it late to entry? No, bro. Just wait for some swing lows to form. Wait and see if you can find some swing lows forms, and at that same time, look for some SMTs with the correlated pair. Okay, we are moving back into that fair value gap. Let's check out the. Bro, we also closed below that 15-minute fair value gap we used as an inversion. there's a high probability we're gonna see this lows taken out. They're just too clean, bro. In my eyes, these are too clean. Okay, there's 28 minutes left for the news chat. In that order block doesn't hold, then I will close my position. If that order blocks, okay, you can, bro. Right, this use this one right there. There's three consecutive candle. Wait for them. Right, this. Do not wait for price to tap into the consequent encroachment. I mean main threshold of that order block. Those three consecutive candles. If price touch the mid level, it's gonna go lower, bro. We wanna see reactions from the opening right there, and we wanna see a sharp close above both these fair value gaps. I mean, one is the 15-minute CB right there inversion, and another one is the 5-minute fair value gap, that BC right there. But I kind of think like, bro, it's gonna move lower. The next candle should not cross that low right there. That low right there, it should not close that low. If you wanna trust the bias right there, it's it wanna go higher from there. If you wanna trust that, you wanna see a swing low form right around there. You do not wanna see that low being crossed. We wanna see a swing low forms, and that last candle should close above both of this level. Chat, I'm sweating like crazy, bro. What the fuck? All right, now watch carefully how price plays out. We want to see this candle move quickly towards upside. If we don't see that, then just close the trade, bro. It's gonna take out those relative equal lows right there. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and if you're new here, then sub up. Yep, and yeah, uh, go and follow me on X, and I'm gonna soon do another live during the live stream. Join the Discord community to get notified about the giveaways. What's GU doing? Okay, GU. Let me just measure the select. All right. Closing this position because of that 15-minute inversion fair value. I told you, bro, if you are in a trade, as soon as you get into it, just use every PDS. Like, I didn't mean every PDS. I meant the one that you master. Just use them to see how price goes. Show reactions from those PDRs. If I was long here, I wanted to see this fair value gap holds price, but it failed to hold that Hold the price right there. Now if this, as soon as this candle closed the previous candle's low, I would have probably closed my position if I was long right there. I said it's gonna take out this low. Great, bro. Just use one PDA. That's what I want to say. If you uh, try to use too many things at a time, you're gonna fail miserably, bro. I learned that at the hard way, bro. My first 2 years were just useless. I have my notebook right beside me. Let me just show you. You see that I made this like, yeah, probably 2.5 years ago. I made this. So many things right there, and I still have that with me. I have a new one, but I still have that journal with me. But now I like uh, think if I haven't done that, I wouldn't have found what I know right now. Just stick to the process and yeah, give it enough time, bro. You're not gonna master anything with uh, 6 months or 1 year. You're never gonna be profitable within 6 months. You finished all ICT videos, bro. I think I have, bro. I have finished all the ICT videos except those long live stream, bro. Those are too long, bro. But I have watched all of his videos, and yeah, those that was the notebook of mine right there. That was my notebook. What I used to learn from ICTs, every strategy. There are like 15 to 20 strategies in that notebook. But right now I use only one. So imagine that I used to apply all the strategies into the charts and I used to get cooked, bro. Okay, we did not took that low right there. Now let's see how price reacts from there. If we cross that high one more time, then I think it's gonna take out that high right there. I told you, bro. Price gonna come down and maybe show some reaction from the OT level. And look at this. Tell me I didn't outline this. I told you like one was this, second perspective was this. That's how you read candles, bro. You need to know what are the specific lows or highs price gonna move before price gonna take out before it gonna move to your directions. 2022 mentorship videos. I think couple of them, but not all. Right now in my smartphone, I have like, let me just check how many videos I have. I'll tell you right now. Let me just tell you. Okay, I have 17 charter content videos and 22 fundamentals videos of ICTs. Those are uh, my folder. I made that up by my with my like what do you say that I picked some specific videos and created a folder of these two contents. But one of the charter content helped me a lot with my trading. Yeah, I have now like 39 videos in my smartphone. I do not watch them, but I'll keep them in case ICT gonna delete all this. videos. Yeah, bros. Safety. Finished. You will go down the Europe sign Marcus. It's bad for you. It's bad for you. We'll see, bro. When the news hits, we'll see. As for me, I'm already profitable, bro. If you're profitable, then great, bro. I'm just telling you my story. I'm not telling you to download all these videos and keep in your smartphone or pen drive. I'm just telling you my story. Done for the day. I'm out there. Bye. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream and yeah, sub up if you're new here. Okay, we're seeing some reaction of this auto block. What is you Geo doing, bro? Geo is about to take out that high right there. It's about to take out that high. It already moved like 20 handles from there. Yeah, from this low, I guess. Yeah. Now we're gonna see some lower movement on you, bro. You're just gonna take out this low. I'm damn sure, bro. You'll see in a moment. You'll see in a moment. You're just gonna take out this low. Inversion privilege violated, by the way. Bro, ICT just tweeted. What did it tweet, bro? What did you tweet it? What the fuck? Damn. 23 400 is getting real buttered up, isn't it? Like ICT talk about NAS, I guess. 23 400. What the fuck? Maybe he's talking about the futures, not the. Alright, this high. ICT is talking about. No, bro. I think he's talking about this low right there. Yep. Let's just go back to our chart. Chat, go follow me on X if you wanna get in touch with me. The price closed out with by body. But let's see. Inversion fair value gap. This one above or below, bro. I'm saying price gonna take out this low. What are you even talking about, bro? Yeah, it's coming. It's gonna take out those low. Damn sure. One more push and we're gonna say euro tap into this fair value gap that we see right there. Okay, there's 13 minutes left for the news on GU, bro. If anyone long on GU, be careful. Manage your risk. We have these highs right there. Let me just make it blue. We have these highs. Then what are the right there one? All right. Chat. Now I want to see like as swing high forms within this fair value gap. Within this fair value gap, I want to see a swing high form. Let us yeah. If not, then we'll probably yeah. Maybe gonna tap into that BC right there one more time. Maybe, but within this BC right there, we have a high. See, so that's more like a support for the price, and we see some reaction right now. You see that? Will you trade before news? Bro, I'm not gonna tell you whether I'm in a trade or not, but you will see after the fact. When the price moves, you'll see. Before I end the stream, I'm gonna show what I'm up to. Okay, 10 minutes left for the news. What do you think, chat? Where can GU go from there? Mm, 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 mm. Let me just take this on, take this one off. All right. We might see this as an inversion. We might, maybe when the news hits, it's gonna tap either into this fair value gap or either this one. So if you want to go long targeting some swing highs, just put your stop loss below this low. What the fuck? Below this low. That I you see right there. But it's up to you, bro. It's up to you, chat. Don't blame me if you get stopped out. I'm just sharing my perspective on GU and EU right now. So we are about to take out those relative equal lows on euro right now. We have this fair value gap. Okay. Chat, if this stream gets 100 likes, then I'll do a giveaway, I guess, Friday. Yep, I'll do a giveaway Friday. So let's see if we can, if you guys can do it. Yep, that's what I was talking about, bro. Yeah, bro. If this, if we, what the fuck? Okay, Geo didn't go lower and it's still hanging around within that BC right there. So we might see a upside movement right from there. Right from there, we might see a move if as soon as we form a swing low. And on euro, I think euro gonna take out that low. Bro, I'm like 80% sure euro is gonna take out that low. This also could happen, bro. That, that's why I'm not touching euro right now. I'm not totally sure about euro, what's gonna do, what it is gonna do. That's why I'm not gonna touch euro. The next candle after this should cross this high. Chat, are you guys in any trade right now, or you're just waiting for the news? Bro, let me check my camera, bro. Damn, bro, it's hitting like crazy, bro. Chat, I think I'm gonna do the stream at 720p from tomorrow. Otherwise, it's gonna blow up, bro. What the fuck? Chat, I've given you all the possible PDRs you could see on GU and TU today, where we'll see some nice move, and the rest is up to you where you're gonna enter the trade. If you're experienced enough, you will know where from where price is gonna move. But if you're not, study more, bro. Yep, euro probably gonna take up that low. We just tapped into that very shorter block right there. Don't like any red folders, bro. Red folder are the nicest time to trade, bro. For me, because I'm a swing trader, bro. I'm a day trader. You could say like an intraday trader. So most of the time my stop losses are big. So that's why I'm not scared of any news. If I'm right about the bias, price maybe gonna take a pullback during the news. If I'm wrong, then I'll get stopped out. But I'll see before the hand what's the news gonna do, and probably exit the trade. Paper trading, that's good, bro. I paper traded like 1 years, bro. The first 6 months was like aggressive paper trading. Like I used to take every setups. Then the later 6 months, I did like two trade in 2 sessions. I cannot take any more trade. I made a rule for myself that I'm just gonna take two trade in 2 sessions, and I only traded like euro and GU for like 2 years, bro. I spent most of my time trading euro and GU. That's why I'm into forex. Most of you ask me like, why don't I uh, trade futures? Because bro, I've spent most of my time trading forex. I don't want to get into other markets, bro. Right now, at least right now, I'm not gonna trade anything else rather than forex. Just because others trading futures, that doesn't mean I should trade futures. If I'm profitable trading forex, then it is good for me. What do we see on GU today? Okay, we see a swing low form right there. Chat, if we see this high taken within before the news, we're gonna move up. We're gonna move up, bro, for GU. Maybe if you have a bad luck, then we'll probably have a weak ride down there and go up. Zero spread on futures. Yes, bro, but I'm not into that right now. So yeah, I don't want to talk about that. When I start trading futures, you will see me. But because of the time period, it doesn't match with me. It moves future pairs move nice uh, during the New York session, but during the London or Asian session, it moves slow, bro. In my eyes, I don't know about you guys, but in my eyes, that's why I don't trade futures, I guess. But yeah, when the comes, then I'll probably trade futures too. You will see everything on this channel. Did you catch the London move today? Did you catch the London move? Which pair are you talking about, bro? Did you catch the London move? Are you talking about Euro or G? Talking about this move right there? Chat. 30, 32 minutes left for the news to eat, bro. What are we gonna see, chat? Let's just put your hands up and watch. I've laid down all my PDRs and analysis today, and you're gonna see something after the news. I'm not gonna say anything now. Just, bro, what the fuck? That red folder news didn't do shit, bro. Or is it lagging, bro? Amazing news. What the fuck? Bro, they scammed us, bro. What the fuck you? What news was that? Monetary policy report hearing. Fuck you, bro. Shitty news today. But I'm still bullish. Another news at 10. Yep. So yeah, we'll wait for the 10 a.m. news right now. Amazing news, bro. You're mocking, bro, right now. Chat, do you want to say what I'm up to right now? Well, let me just check on USJPY, bro. Do you have any? All right, all right. Okay. Chat, do you see anything on USJPY? I see something. And I told you, chat, I'm considering this high right there as the high of the week. USD cat is just moving like shit, bro. Do not touch USD cat. What did gold do, bro? Let's see, gold. Chat, gold moved up again. Damn, bro, it took out this low right there and went up. What the fuck? I think NAS is consolidating right now. Maybe it's gonna take out this high. And same goes for SMP. SMP, I guess it's slow today. Bro, US 30 gonna take out this low. It's gonna take out this low right there. What's your opinion for GBP? Bro, GBP is going higher. Just keep that in mind. Go to my previous stream and I guess uh, at 1 hour time mark I said something yesterday's stream. Go back to the stream and watch it. How we gonna move for the rest of the week? When price were here, I told you that we're gonna move higher from there. I'm bullish on GU and Euro, and we almost saw 94 handle move today on GU, bro. At from that PDR right there, we saw 90 pips move today on GU. If you see Euro, same goes for it, bro. We almost had like 56 pips move. And let me show the PDR. Just watch, just see it, bro. I don't know why everyone is short on Euro, or the bias is bearish for most of you guys. I saw someone on in the previous stream saying that we don't know anything about the market. So just look at this. This was the upside movement right from here. I'm just show you that we moved higher from there. Right from here we move higher, and right now it's consolidating within this space, so it's gonna break and take out those highs right there. We're in a bullish trend, bro. What do you see on the higher time frame? Like, what the fuck, bro? But if I'm wrong, then yeah, it's on me, bro. I'm okay if I'm wrong. Sometimes we need to accept the fact that we're gonna be wrong, bro. That's what ICT tell us in his every space, bro. So we tried to move up from that fair value gap, but we failed right there. So now I don't want to see price go one more time right there. I want to see from this inversion fair value gap, price take out this low. That's what I want to see. Let me just move this to 10 a.m. because we have a news at 10 a.m. today. Yeah, right there. 38 minutes left for the news chat. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and yeah, if you're new, sub up, bro. Sub up quickly, and yeah, help me reach 20K before this year ends, or maybe early. Yeah, it's going down right now. It's gonna take those lows. Chat, go check out Atlas Funded if you wanna grab an account. Um, yeah, I think the 50% off is closed right now, but you can get a 30% off if you use next gen ICT coupon. Use next gen ICT as a coupon code and grab yourself a funded account. It is better to trade funding prop firms rather than you having your own life funds, unless you're profitable enough. Okay, there's almost 33 minutes left for the news chat, and we already moved enough for GU. Chat, look how that bullish order block supports price right there. You see that bullish order block right there? See how price reacts from there. I want to see it take out that high right now. I want to see a sweep right there from that level. Look how it reacts from there. You see that mean threshold level? Yep. Chat, how many of you living alone right now? Are you guys with parents or live alone? Or are you married? How many of you are married right now? Let me just do one more thing. Yep. I think we're gonna take out that high. Live with my wife and her daughter and one sibling. Bernie, you are married. Whoa, bro. I thought, how old are you, Bernie? I'm 56. What the, bro? I thought you were younger than that. I thought you were like 24, 25, something like that. You're 57? W, man. And you're trading. How long have you been trading for, bro? Young at heart. Yeah, bro, we are young at heart. We all are young inside, bro. Just live your life, bro. That's what I can say. Enjoy every moment. Enjoy your time. That's it. 1 year and 6 months trading. Okay. What do you used to do before trading? Tahir Mustafa. Married. Is everyone married right now in my chat? How many of you are married, chat? Bunny, what did you used to do before trading? My TP hit on and you took shot. Damn, bro. Nice. GG, bro. GG. Let me just pull up the chart one more time. Yep. I talked about how it's gonna gravitate within this price range during the London sessions. And do we have an SMP? Yeah, I think we had an SMT right here with ES. Also worked for several big banks. Last job was analyst at a software company. Damn, bro. Then you're probably very good at softwares and tax. Bro, look how choppy is the 1 minute time frame. How can one just stand short time frame like this? That's why I avoid lower time frame on Forex. If you are a swing trader and trade Forex, it's good, bro. Like this move from here, if it was an hourly time frame, look how clean was that. But also work now. NQ is going for the relative equal highs on top. Yeah, bro. Okay, we see some reaction. Okay, we have taken out that high on GU. Just took out that high. Damn, bro. Today was a W analysis. We just took out the highs on GU chat. How much did it move from that 15-minute fair value gap? Right from there. Now, let me just do it one more time. Okay, almost 20 handles, bro. Did anyone capture this move on GU chat? Did any of you took this trade? Okay, you could have entered on this right here. Otherwise, maybe right on this candle. We had like three opportunities right there. I told you guys we're gonna move higher on GU today, and it's gonna move cleaner than Euro today. Yep. Have we taken out that low? No. We are moving from that OTE level. Right there. See chat. Okay, let me just put that back. Okay, now it's coming down. Maybe it's gonna take a pullback right now, chat. We're probably gonna see some pullback before the news, and when the news hits, we're gonna move higher like crazy. That's what in my mind right now. It was clean, by the way. Today's price action was clean. How was your trading session, chat? Was it good? Have you made some money? Have you guys made some money, chat? Get ready. My paper trading account is up 43%. Damn, bro. Nice. Double it, bro. $15th, get ready. What the fuck? Already up $6,000 today. Should I make it? Date to remember. Bro, ICT just shot at that uh, price, like right there on Nest. What the fuck? He just shot it on that high candle, bro. In 2 weeks. Okay, in 2 weeks you have made it 43%. You should also focus on your risk management, bro. Make sure you have proper risk management. I am interested to save 1.16390 level 3 swap. 1.1316, 1.16, where is that? Is it on GU or Euro? What are you talking about, bro? 1.16390. Bro, I also say that, bro. We might see Euro take out that low and uh, tap into that BC right there, then move up. I told you guys that before it even moved from there. When price was here, I told you guys we may be gonna see price take out that low one more time, tap into the fair value gap and move higher. Either it's gonna move higher from there, or maybe it's gonna take a deep into that fair value gap. That's what I'm watching right now. I was doing this fine for natural fun. Entering only 0.5% on each trade. If you entering on 0.5% on each trade, and then how is it 43% up, bro? I don't get the math, bro. Drinking all this coffee. This last few weeks I've been exhausted. Last imagination. It's something that I'm afraid. And you come true. True. Bro, I'm streaming, but my mind is fucked up right now. Bernie, give me a advice like how to understand women, bro. It seems more difficult than trading. There is a girl who sometimes talk nicely with me. It's almost like 3 months. Sometimes she does. She's like ignoring me. Then sometimes she calls me, talk with me, and now her uh, socials are deactivated. What the fuck is going on her month in her mind, bro? I don't understand. Give me some advice, bro. Okay, we are gonna take out the low. Yep, I guess we're gonna take out that low. We have swept this high. Now it's gonna take out that low. There's two relative equal lows also. Woman can never be understood. Seems like it, bro. It's more harder than bro just trading, bro. I just don't understand what in their mind all the time. Sometimes they gives too much attention, and then after a while, like maybe even after 5 minutes or 10 minutes, they act like I'm a stranger. Like what the fuck, bro? Crazy. Crazy, a crazy word is for boys, bro. There should be something else for girls. They look so innocent, but in their mind, bro, what the fuck? Okay, but I can live without them. Can't live without them, right? Yeah, bro, I know that, but I am trying to get an advice from you. since your experience in that. I like to be real. I have some feelings for her. We've been talking like 3 months, I guess. She used to like talk with me over the phone call, then chat with me all day. Then sometimes she doesn't even text me back, leave me on red. And now her socials are deactivated. What the fuck is going on her mind, bro? I don't understand. The must to understanding them is the must to. Yeah, bro. I'm fucked up mentally right now because of her, bro. Why did she even come into my life, bro? And you know what's funny? When I ask her, like, if you don't want to talk to me, like, just say it. She do one thing. She'd say like, did I ever say that? And then when I again message her, she just leave me on red, bro. Like, what the fuck? Just tell me straight up if you don't want to talk to me. I'll not text her again. But they just seems to get fun with that. Okay, for 15 minutes left for the news chat. We have 15 minutes left for the news. Let me just check on my camera. Bro, it's hot like crazy, bro. It's about to blow up, I think. Chat, I'm going to stream at 720p from tomorrow, bro. I'm afraid it's gonna blow up. What the fuck? Yeah, I'll probably do the stream at 720p. We are just time stalling right now. It's the JPY. Okay, 13 minutes left for the news chat. We have 13 minutes left. Okay, now we're taking a pullback. We have taken that buy side right there. Let me just take this off. And I'll probably take this off too. What do I see? I think we're gonna take this slow out chat and probably move higher from the OTE level. And we have also a fair value gap right there. That's the first perspective for GBP. And the second one would be we move higher from there. We have swept this low right there. We could move higher from there. And the next one, we're gonna tap into that. Or are we gonna take out this low? I don't think we're gonna take out this low. What's Euro doing? Let me just do one thing. Yeah, bro. We could also tap into this level right there. I'll just wait and see. Yeah, we're about to take out that low on Geo. Moving straight and drinking like coffee. This last feel it's so exhausting. Lost in our imagination. This one thing I don't need from you. Can it come true? Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, by the way. We're almost streaming like 2 hours, almost 2 hours. We're streaming right now. And yeah, if you're new here, then sub up, bro. Uh, before I end the stream, you're gonna see something. Yeah, I'll show you something interesting. Just wait for that. Let me just put some lip balm. Chat, did you guys like the new content on the channel? The latest motivational content on my channel? Did you guys share that? Okay, we are about to take. Okay, we already took out that low. We have taken out that low, chat. Right on that candle. We're still in this IC on the daily candle, bro. What the fuck? Have we made any for high? Yep. Chad, if I see price go lower when the news hits, trust me, I'm not gonna trade this full week. I said that on the previous stream. that you will not see me trade this full week if price goes lower than this. Sit tight, bro. Okay, 5 minutes left for the news chat. What are we gonna see? Let me just check on the news one more time. Okay, 5 minutes and 36 seconds. I think it's DXY gonna go lower today. Drop openings. Mm, bro, I'm sweating like crazy. Damn, bro. Okay, we formed a swing low right there within that fair value gap. Right now, I have two scenario. Either we're gonna move from here when the news hit, or we're gonna maybe gonna take out that low. But I kind of feel like we're gonna move from there. I'm like 70% sure we're gonna move up from there. You will see in a moment, chat. You will see in a moment what you are doing. Chat, look at euro right now. Just look at euro. Euro just moved back into that fair value gap, and I think now it's gonna continue higher. You can go long if you want to. Yep. Chat, you can go long if you want to on euro, either GU. It's up to you. Just manage your risk. That's what I can say. If you want to go long on GU, put your stop loss right here. And just take this off. Put your stop loss underneath this low. If price takes out this low, then probably our analysis is not okay. Happy taken out the low. Price is not looking good on euro right now. We have made a higher high right there, but didn't make a lower low on DXY. Chat, be careful if you wanna go long. Yeah, let me just make this two for GU. I have two scenario right here. One or two things gonna happen on GU today. If it doesn't, then I'll probably, yeah, I'm gonna be wrong for today's analysis, bro, about the bias. 50 seconds left, chat. 50 seconds. 45 seconds left for the news. 39 seconds. Okay, almost 30 seconds left for the news to hit chat. Are we gonna see a nice move there? Let me just show you how I would have entered this trade. Now some people are gonna say this is a huge stop loss. Then what, bro? Then what do you expect me to do? I'm an intraday trader, bro. If this moves with okay, the news entered. Let me just check on euro. What is euro doing? Damn, bro. Are we gonna see any move higher? Or is it gonna start right there, chat? But what I was saying, I would have entered like this on GU today during the news because I'm okay with the bias that we're bullish on GU. You may see this stop loss so huge, but look at the target, bro. We have like 134 pips on this trade if it moves to our directions. Almost forward trade. Now euro's gonna move cleaner. Chat, look at that. Look at that, bro. ICT just posted a new video on YouTube from today's trade. Yeah, I got the notification, bro. I got the notification. Chat, look at this trade on USD JPY. From there, it moved like 64 handles. That's why I told you to watch when price was fair. Do you see anything on USD JPY? That's why I asked you to watch USD JPY too. And I told you not to push your hand on USD CAT, and you see the reason right now. Damn, bro. Chat, just look how precise our analysis was for today. We talked about how price gonna take out this to relative equal lows and move higher. Damn, it's going to take out that high. Bro, almost 33 handles. What the fuck? Let me just take all this off. Take this off. Yeah, we moved from there. Chat, put some W's in the chat right now. I want all of you to put some W's in the chat. Today was a W and analysis, bro. Put some W's in the chat right now and sub up. Somebody yesterday said my analysis sucks, bro. Where is he, bro? Like, come on, bro. What the fuck? Where are you right now? And he put two laughing emoji in the chat. Bro, he just took that trade and he already posted the video. Chat, I took a live trade and I also put a paper trading trade on here. Let me just show you that. Do you see the chat? Do you see that? Man, my target is up right there. I took this paper trading trade just to show you. I was not wrong about the bias, bro. If I was, I would have got stopped out right there. I went long during the London session, and I was not even in front of my desk when the news hit and price took out that low. My stop loss was right there at the right place. Let me just show you one more. You see that on Euro? Chad, do you see that? Do you see that on Euro? The three pairs I talked about today during the stream, you're gonna see it. You're gonna take out all this hype. If I'm wrong, I'm gonna just accept it, bro. But I'm gonna hold this trade, this paper trading trade. I have one trade running on my live account, and yeah, it's going well. Let me just show you one more thing. Now put some W's in the chat when as soon as you see this. What the fuck did that go? Okay, it was on USD get. Okay, this one is also moving. Chat, just look at it. Say something in the chat right now. Say something. I'm long in two pairs right now. It's a paper trading account, I admit that. But I took this trade to prove that I'm not wrong, bro. I'm not wrong, and I'm not here to prove anything about my bias or anything else. It was just to uh, like to prove to myself that yeah, my analysis does work, bro. It's not fucked up, and we're gonna take up those highs. You will see that. So yeah, chat, that's it for today's stream, I guess. Let me just hide them again. Just hide the positions right there. So yeah, it was nice having you all here. And yeah, we're gonna meet tomorrow again at the same time. So be there and peace out, bro. We're gonna meet tomorrow. Love you all, bro.